Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a ring in Fusion 360, which will then be utilized for my NFC based ring project that I have wrote an Instructable on. So first click on the sketch tool and then select the plane, and now we need to create a circle, and I'm going to be utilizing the standardized ring charts. So my size is US 9, which has a diameter of 19 millimeters. So click on the circle tool and create a circle of 21 millimeters. This will be the outer circle, and the inner circle will be of 19 millimeters. Um, Click on enter and click on finish sketch. Now click on the extrude tool and extrude this to about 20 millimeters. No, 20 is more. Let's do 10. 10 should be fine. All right. So now we have the ring, outer surface of the ring, and click on the sketch tool again and click on the plane, on this plane, and now we will utilize this the circle tool again to create the inner circle, and this will be 19 millimeters. Click on finish sketch and we will create a hole out of this inner circle. Click on extrude the inner circle and click on cut. Now we'll cut through the entire body to make a hole. Click on OK and on the home icon to see it from the home view. So now we have the shape of the ring. Alright, now what we need to do is create a placeholder for our NFC sticker. So for that, again click on the sketch tool, click on this plane and zoom in a little bit so that we can position our circle correctly. Click on the circle tool and right about here we'll draw a circle of 25 millimeters. So 25 millimeters, it's 2.5 centimeter, which is the diameter of an NFC ring. Finish the sketch, and I know this kind of looks a huge circle that doesn't cover the ring at all, but in a moment you will see why. Now click on this surface and select move copy, and in the options click on sketch objects and then select the sketch object that we just created and bring it a little bit above the ring. That should do. Now click on OK, and now again click on extrude tool, and now we will be creating a join with the ring. So click on join and bring this a little bit down. That should do it. I guess a tiny bit more. 2 and yep, there's a ring. It's a bit thick from here, so we're gonna rectify that. Just go back to the sketch, click on it, and edit sketch. And now we'll just click on this, move, I'm gonna move it down a little bit. Do it from here. Yeah, I think this is good. Finish the sketch, and now we'll decrease the thickness of this extrude. So click on the last extrude that we did and click on edit feature. And here we're gonna decrease this to 0, maybe even 1. I think 1 is good. Yep. Now click on OK. And there we have it. Our ring structure is there. We have our ring. Alright, now it's time to create some designs on this ring. So let's do that. Now go to sketch again and click on the spline. There we have it, and then click on the spline tool. We will utilize this to create design, and this is totally random. Click on this point, make a symmetric point here, and one here, and about here. Yeah, that's good. Finish the sketch. Now let's look at the plane. All right. Click on extrude. Click on this plane and click on cut. And we're gonna also do it two sides. So there's one cut. Here. All right. And the other cut. Click on OK. And here's two. So now the string kind of looks like this. Now if we go to the render tab, we can assign it some colors and appearance. So I'm going to go to plastic and this white. Double click on it and have a blackish color. Oh, this is exact black. Click on it and assign it here. And that's all about it. That's your ring. Now you can just go to File and export it to a format that accepts your the cloud online 3D printing service that you have opted for, whichever format it accepts. Just choose it from this list, or if they want it to be in STL format, you can just go here and 3D print. Click on 3D print.